Alright, so the BMW X5 is one of the greatest automobiles on the planet. However, sometimes you get this noise from the hatch, and it possibly drives you nuts. I'm going to show you how to fix that real quick, so you don't have to live with this anymore. You can fix this with Velcro strips. You can find these pretty much anywhere. They already come in an inch width, and all you got to do is cut 1/2 inch pieces, and you're going to need 4 of them. And when you're done cutting the strips, you want the 4 fuzzy side pieces. That's what we need to quiet it down back there. Now we'll go back to the tailgate and I'll show you where to install these. Not here, this is where it's going to fit, but up here you have these that you need to put these on either side of. And if you want to clean them off before you do this, this will make them adhere better. So one on the outside, and then the other one will go on the inside. On to the next one, we've got one on the inside, and then one will be going on the outside of this fixture. There you go. So these two plastics won't rub together anymore, and you shouldn't have that issue of noisiness back in the hatch while you're driving around bumps. Let's try it. So that should quiet down your tailgate back there on the X5. This is for a 2021 X5. Sometimes there's different fasteners for different years, but I'd like to thank my technician Scott at BMW Crystal Lake for helping me out with this one. He's fixed a couple of other ones that I've had that have been issues, but it cleans it right up. 10 times better, right? So thanks a lot. Hope you're subscribed. I'll see you in the next video.